Hey there, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can create or sign up into the QQ account. For that, you need to open the QQ application on the device, and once you appear on the QQ official page, on the blue button you need to tap on, and you'll be guided to this login page where you can enter your QQ ID and the password and click on the arrow like button. So, in this way, you will log in into your QQ account. But to sign up on the QQ account, go back again to your QQ application and come back again. And once you are here, now in this time, you need to click on the left button next to the blue button, not the blue button. Now you need to enter your mobile number of your country, but before that, make sure to choose your country code. So here is the country name written on the Chinese. You can simply open the browser and select your country code and paste it here. After you have entered your mobile number, you can click on the blue button and access to the other page where you need to enter your credential to sign up on your QQ account. After you finish all the on-screen procedures, you'll be easily sign up with the QQ account. If this video was useful for you, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos of this channel. Thank you.